love the cash envelope system. I feel like it's the best way to stay on top of your budget. You know how much money you are spending in each category, and you just pull out the cash and put it in each envelope. There's only one problem. I'm really not good at it. For some reason, the cash envelope system has not worked for me on a long-term basis. I would make it work for a short period of time, usually a couple of weeks, and then I would always fall off. It's one of three things would happen. The first thing that would happen is that I would not feel comfortable taking out the amount of money needed to fund my envelope. It would take a nice amount of money in order to fund every envelope that I had, and I was not comfortable taking out that much cash and having that much cash on me at all times. But if I didn't carry the cash on me, then I would also run into the issue of not having that envelope when I needed it. The second thing that would happen is that I would not have enough money to put into each envelope, which made me feel like I could not use the system because I did not have enough cash in order to fund my envelope. Or the third thing is I would borrow so much from each envelope that it ended up becoming one big jumbled pile of money, and I still didn't know how much I was spending in each category by the end of the week. So even though I could not make this system work as a whole with all of the different envelopes that I possibly needed, I did find a way to make this work out better for me. And today I wanted to share with you the different things that I have decided to do in order to make the cash envelope system work for me. But first, if you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning, productivity, and money. If that interests you, then make sure that you click that subscribe button, as I would love for you to be a part of our little family. So, how did I change up the system? There are two things that I'm doing in order to revamp my cash envelope system. The first thing that I did was bring all of my envelopes down to two. I only have two envelopes. The first envelope is for groceries. We set aside a budget of $100 a week for groceries, and that is in an envelope in cash, and that way we have it anytime that we need to go to the grocery store. Now, one thing to note is that usually I go to the grocery store at Walmart, and when I'm going, I am including everything in that $100. So if I get toilet tissue or paper towels or anything else that may not be specifically food related, it does not matter. It all comes out of the grocery envelope. I realized that trying to make it separate and trying to do $20 in a separate envelope for toiletries and this for cleaning products, it was way too much. It was way too overwhelming, and I needed it to be as simple as possible. So I just decided to put everything under the grocery column, put it in one envelope, and I take that one envelope with me to Walmart, and I make sure that I stay within my $100. And the second envelope that I created is a miscellaneous or a personal envelope, and that includes any other expenses that I have throughout the week that are not on my budget. So this could be if I stop at the store and want a snack. This could be if I wanted to pick up something for my kids really quick. Whatever comes up throughout the week that could be under any particular category, if it is not budgeted, then it needs to come out of my personal cash. And this has definitely been working for me, because normally I would be trying to figure out what category and which envelopes to pull money from, but in the end I would just end up pulling from all types of different envelopes to make it work. So now that I realize that all of my personal spending really doesn't matter that much to me, as long as I'm spending how much I have allotted for the week. And if I have an amount like $100 set for the next 5 days and I don't want to spend any more than that, then I also give myself a daily budget, which also helps me to stay on track and make sure that I don't spend over $100 for the week. So I'll take out $20 a day, and then I'll try and make that last throughout the entire day. So if I want to get food, if I want to get a snack, if I want to do anything, any type of planner supplies or anything that I decide to pick up throughout the day, I have to stick within my $20. I keep these 2 envelopes within my planner, and every morning I will go into my personal envelope. I will pull out a 20 and I will put it into my wallet. Now, I keep my planner on me at all times, but I keep the 20 in my wallet because that's how much I plan on spending for that particular day. It's a visual representation that just kind of keeps me on track. If I end up spending more than that 20 that I have allotted for the day, then I will try and do a no spend the very next day or another day that week. And this is how I have made the cash envelope system work for me. Using cash for my expenses have been the absolute best as far as staying on top of how much money I am spending. However, I realized that having so many categories just did not work out for me because it was way too overwhelming. Using only 2 envelopes, my grocery envelope and my personal envelope, and having those 2 categories has helped simplify the process so much. I don't keep track of every penny that I spend in every single place, and I more than likely stay within the amount that I have allotted for each day. So it has worked for me, and I hope that it has worked for you. Does the cash system work for you? Please let me know in the comments. If it does not work for you, then definitely try this out and let me know how this works for you. It has definitely transformed the way that I have seen my budget and how I use cash and how my husband uses cash. So y'all let me know in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I have way more tips and quotes and different things over there. So head over there and follow me there at The Organized Money, and I will see you in the next video. Keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.